Hello everybody, welcome back again to another video. So today we are doing an unboxing of Apple iPad 9th generation, also known as Apple iPad 10.2. So this is the 2021 version of Apple's most least expensive tab, and they have targeted the students for this one, and they tell that they have a lot of specific features that comes handy for students who are using a tab. So without further ado, let's go and get into the box. So I already removed the plastic cover, so let's see what's in the box. So you have a side picture of the tab, then here you have the iPad also in the same side, and here you have the Apple branding. Here you have the Apple branding, and here you have the specifications. So it's iPad 9th generation, 64 GB, the Wi-Fi one. Yes, so let's get into it. Okay, so we have the tab right here. The second. Okay, so this is the tab. Let's keep it aside. So you have your usual documentation here. Okay, so yeah, so you have the quick startup guide. You have safety handling, safety stuff. You have the Apple stickers. Yep, that's so much about it. And here you have the charging brick. So it's a fast charging brick, as you can see. Okay, good. And you still have the lightning cable, type C to lightning cable. So yeah, that's a somewhat concern, but still it's good. So that's about it. So let's get into the tab. This is the tab. So I went with the space gray one, and I set it up earlier in order to save our time. So this is the Apple least expensive tab, iPad 9th generation 2021. So you can see, like in the previous one, it doesn't come with any fancy face unlocking or something, but you have the reliable Apple Touch ID, and you have a 12 MP wide angle selfie camera here, and you have the old back cam as with the one that came with the 8th generation. So apart from that, let's go and see. So yet you have iPad 15.1 OS. You have the Apple Pencil. So Apple Pencil is you can only use the first generation one. That means if you want to charge it, you have to connect it to your charging port. So those are some minor sacrifices that you have to make in order to make this affordable one for the students. So yeah, so I think that's it about the unboxing video. I will use it for a while, and after a while I'll come back again with a comprehensive review, and I'll give you my thoughts on this iPad. So thank you very much. Till we meet again in another video. Goodbye.